Hello there, my name is Alan. Welcome to Watch Whisperer. What I'm going to do today, for the first time since I've been doing these videos and watch repair, I'm going to try and I'll put some on there. I've got myself a roller jewel and I've got myself a roller table. It's on there, and I bought some shellac. So this is the first time I'm going to try and shellac the jewel on the roller table. So wish me luck. I hope it goes okay. Okay, so here goes. Let's see what we can do here. Right, I've had to change this because it wasn't working properly. I'm hoping I can do it. We'll soon find out in a minute, won't we? I put a candle underneath the handle. So hopefully it'll work. I hope. I'm not sure if it's working or not. Aha, there you go. I think it's done, but I'm not sure. Was it? No, it's not. Right. See if I can do it. See if I can do it again. I'm hoping I can do it. I'm holding a candle to see if it's working. Just there. I don't know if the candle's going to be strong enough, to be fair. I don't know. That's better. I'm holding it a bit further up now. I'm hoping it'll do it. You can see the black smoke coming through. Ah. There you go. I think I might have done it. Yes, it looks like I've done it. Wow, that's the first time I've done it on this channel, and it's the first time I've done it with it in my life. Thanks for watching my channel. If you could please subscribe and like, I'll be most grateful. Thank you.